Those are just a few of the thousands of people around the world who are building a cash flow machine with the Agile opportunity. As for me, the Agile business has been nothing short of a fairy tale. Since I started 4 years ago, this great company has helped me create an income of over $1 million a year. I have no employees, no office, no politics, no hassles. I get to travel the world, I have complete time freedom, and I get to work with my friends every single day. And the most amazing thing is, this is just the beginning. Even better, Agile is a good corporate citizen and gives back. From day one, Agile has been dedicated to helping those less fortunate than us, children in particular, through the Agile Cares Foundation. From cleft palates to cataract surgeries, from school books to microloans, Agile is giving back in the areas of the world that need it most, and we all play an important part. So let me offer you some final thoughts. Right now, people are looking for answers. Most would like to start a business but can't afford the high investment, don't have the training to start, or are afraid of taking the risk. With Agile, you don't need a large investment, and you can start it part-time with whatever you're doing now. You don't need business experience or higher education. Agile takes care of operations, technology, warehousing, shipping, regulatory issues, product development, international expansion, accounting, you name it. Just bring your passion, your willingness to work, and a dream for a better life. All you have to do is help other people find out about the Agile business and then help them do the same thing. And the good news is we have powerful tools to help you do that. It's as simple as inviting them to an event like this, Agile Cash Flow class, or a local money mixer. Or they can view this DVD or an online presentation. Just bring your enthusiasm. Focus on being the messenger and let us help you by providing the message.
They've been there with us every step of the way, answering all of our questions, helping us build our business, making sure that anything we needed was taken care of.
It's great using the tools, not only because it's easier, but also because it shows other people how easy the business is.
And the company has put together some amazing tools that literally, we can just hand them to people and let the tool do the work for us.
I'm used to making great money in real estate, but after every closing, no matter how big the check was, it's over. And you have to start your business all over again. With Agile, you build it once, you build it well, and you get paid month after month after month.
Today I run a multi-million-dollar business out of my home, and I pull income from all over the world. And the reason they're looking at Agile today is because we have something unique. We're not a copycat, we're not a Me Too company, we have something very unique. We have a unique product line, we have a unique compensation plan. Our management has the experience like never before to take this company to become the next global giant.
My question to you is this: if not Agile, then what? The situation here is perfect for today's economy. Rarely do you have the chance to participate at such an early stage of a company's development with such a low amount of risk. Agile has the leadership, the products, the compensation, the tools, and the global platform. All they need now is to add more business builders, and that's where you and I come in. Do you know how many people in the world today are desperately searching for a better career and a better financial situation? Virtually everyone. All we have to do is let them know Agile is an option, and the rest will take care of itself. When I first got involved with Agile, one of my friends said, "Now it's our turn. Before today, it was other people's chance to be in the right place at the right time. But it's our turn now." I think that's very well said and absolutely true. If you're ready to take action, it can be your turn now. If you're watching this at one of our cash flow classes in someone's home, they'll give you some samples and follow-up materials. If you're seeing this online or on a DVD, please get back with the person who asked you to view this presentation. Check out these breakthrough products and get your questions answered. Just by the nature of our compensation plan, timing and positioning are important. Thanks for taking the time. Please decide what level of cash flow is right for you and get started. The time to act is right now.